In this lecture, we will discuss about advances in hybrid seed production of pearl millet crop or bajra crop. Bajra is predominantly a cross-pollinated crop with 80% cross-pollination due to protogynous condition. The hybrid seed in bajra crop is produced by utilizing cytoplasmic genetic male sterility system. The cytoplasmic male sterile source used in bajra is TIFT23A, which is identified by G.W. Burton. Thus, three-line system of hybrid seed production is used in bajra crop. These three lines are A line, B line and R line. Hybrid seed production involves two steps: maintenance of parental lines and commercial hybrid seed production. In maintenance of parental lines, for maintenance of A line, it has to be crossed with male fertile B line in an isolated plot as shown in the diagram. For maintenance of A line, isolation required is 1000 meters from other bajra fields. Time isolation is not permitted in bajra crop. The usual planting ratio adopted is 4 rows of A-line plants and 2 rows of B-line plants with 4 to 6 border rows of B-line plants around the field. Rows of B-line plants can be harvested any time after flowering is over. The rows of A-line plants are harvested at proper maturity, threshed, dried and stored under good conditions. The B line and the R line can be maintained just like normal varieties by following the required isolation and field standards. However, the isolation distance required and the field standards are similar to that of maintenance of A line. In commercial hybrid seed production, the hybrid seed is produced by crossing male sterile A line with the restorer R line in an isolated field as shown in the diagram. For hybrid seed production, isolation requirement is 200 meter from fields of other varieties of bajra and 5 meters from fields of other hybrid seed production plots having the same male parent. The planting ratio adopted is 4 rows of A-line plants and 2 rows of B-line plants with 4 to 6 border rows of B-line plants around the field. Rows of R-line plants can be harvested any time after flowering is over. The rows of A-line plants are harvested at proper maturity, threshed, dried and stored under good conditions. In advances, there are some ways to increase the hybrid seed yield of bajra crop. Staggered sowing. In GHB 558 variety of bajra, female parent plants are sown 10 days before the sowing of male parent plants. Adjustment of flowering date. If the difference in flowering is 3 to 4 days, it can be adjusted by cultural practices. As the parent, which is lagging, should be sprayed with 2% DAP solution or 2% urea solution 2 to 3 times at an interval of 2 to 3 days leads to early flowering. Irrigation adjustment. Advancing parent show early flowering. If we withhold one irrigation of advancing parent, it leads to delay in flowering. Jerking. It is done after 20 to 25 days of transplanting or after 30 to 40 days of direct sowing. In this process, early formed ear heads of first tillers are removed. As a result, remaining tillers show uniform flowering. Speciality with Bajra in synchronization is that problem of synchronization of flowering in Bajra is very less due to following reasons: tillering habit, supply of continuous pollens, lesser pollen weight, flight capacity of pollens, and pollen viability and stigma receptivity are longer.